Between laughter and tears I walk, bright days and nights unsure. When my heart was close to giving up, your voice called me to endure. In the valleys I learned this truth: my faith is not built on the ground. Even when everything is shaking, I am safe within your hands. When the bridge begins to sway, I will not turn back in fear. The one who promised I'd arrive is faithful to keep me. You are the God who never changes. In the chaos you remain the same. You turn tragedies into triumph. You turn a sorrow into praise. You are the God who never changes. When the solid ground gives way, my hope is found within your name. You will never fail. When the ground fell firm beneath my feet and I forgot to trust again, you reminded me my confidence is not in what I can stand. The same God of the desert place is the God of celebration, present in the lack and loss, and also in provision. Though everything around me change, your word will still remain. I set my feet upon a truth will forever stay. You are the God who never changes. In the chaos you remain the same. You turn tragedies into triumph. You turn our sorrow into praise. You are faithful. Forever faithful. If I rise, you're there. If I fall, you're near. In the calm or in the storm, your love will guard me here. If I rise, you're there. If I fall, you're near. In the calm or in the storm, your love will guard me here. It's not the bridge that carries me, it's not the ground that makes me stand. It's the eternal, unchanging God who holds my tomorrow in His hand. You are the God who never changes.